You try that one.
Taylor, that's Brady's.
I think all the green ones are mine. Because I know it.
Why aren't you opening them?
Oh, this one's really heavy. I just don't know what this is.
You shake them to see if they're Legos?
No,
You
it's
turn
not.
them.
Let me pick this up. Oh, it's books. Jack and Annie books.
Whoa, cool. Where are you going?
Look at Daddy, Jack and Annie.
That's a lot of them. How many?
I don't know.
Hold on.
Oh, that's a bunch.
Can I do that after, then that?
Let's see, Brady. Alright, you gotta get Taylor to open a present.
Do you want to open the